Hello guys, welcome to my class. Today we are going to analyze another two figure of truss and analyze and design the trusses. Okay, so we are going to these two trusses, this one and this one. Okay, so at first open STAAD Pro, click on new project, click on truss, click on meter, kilonewton, then next, then click on add beam, then finish it. Go to front view. Now according to our figure, the distance is 2 meter in the x direction and 1.5 and 2.5 in the y direction. Okay, so we are going to manipulate the SAP node grid. Okay, go to edit option for manipulating the grid. In the x direction spacing is 2 meter and the y direction give the spacing 0.5. Okay, now in the x direction these are 4 member, so create four member, 1 2 3 4. Okay, now in the y direction, in the first one going to 1.5, in the middle goes to 2.5, the third goes to 1.5. okay, so press Ctrl and select the 1.5 distance in 2 meter and add on the 2 meter distance from y in the x-axis. Now see, it goes to the 2.5 meter in the y direction in the middle of the frame. This is 2.5. now select this one, select on the 6 nong node, it goes in the y direction in 1.5, so click on 1.5 distance and switch off the, we have to switch off the grid now. Yes, now we have to add the rest beams. Just add the nodes, now our structure is complete. Okay, now we have to give support. In the left side is pinned and right side is fixed part. Okay, so go to support page, click on create, add pinned, again create on add and fixed part, release on fx and inject, add it. Now pin goes to the left, click on assign to selected nodes, assign yes, and the fixed part goes to the right, assign to selected nodes, yes. Now close it. You have to give member property, go to property page, click on select database, section database, sorry, my mistake. Select your code. I'm going to select Indian, design as an angle, selecting this property, this angle, and make sure you have select steel option, steel material, and add it, close it. It goes to the total structure, assign to view, assign yes. Okay, close it, go to load page, click on load case detail, add it, loading type leave it into none, add it, close it. click on locus detail, then add self weight and nodal load. Now 55, 45 and 90 goes to minus 55, add it, minus 45, add it, minus 90, add it. Now 55 goes to this node, this node. Click on assign to selected nodes, assign yes. 45 goes to this node, assign to selected nodes, assign yes. And 90 goes to this node, assign to selected nodes, assign yes. Now self-weight goes to the total structure, assign to view, assign yes. Now to analyze it, command analyze, perform analyze, okay, analyze, run analyze, save. Okay, so our analyze part is complete. Now you know how to design it, so design on your own. If you have problem, then let me know, comment on my video, comment on this video. Okay, I have to analyze a second frame or Truss, this one. So click on new project, click on Truss, meter, kilonewton, next. Click on add view, finish, go to front view. Now according to our frame, distance is 4 meter, 4 meter, 3 meter. Okay, distance is 5 meter and 4 meter. So let it be 1 meter on spacing. So these two is 4 meter and rest is 3 meter. So 4 meter, 4 meter, and you have to be you have to increase the grid in the x direction. Okay, now 3 meter. Okay, now in the second node, in the y direction goes to 5 meter, and the third node in the y direction, third nodes to y direction goes to 4 meter. So press Ctrl, and from second node goes to 5 meter, 5 meter, and the again press Ctrl, and to the third node goes to 4 meter, and add the beams, now switch off the grid, now add the rest node. Now our structure is complete. Okay, now I have to give support. In the left is pinned and right is fixed, and the load is 50 and 30 kilonewton in the upper two nodes. So we go to the support page. For give support, click on create, pinned, add, create, fixed part, release down, fx, mz, add. Pin goes to the left, assigned to selected nodes, and fixed part goes to the right, assigned to selected nodes, assign yes. And we have to give property for the Truss, go to section database. Now select your code. I'm going to select Indian angle, I'm selecting this angle. material steel, add it, close it, goes to the whole structure, assign to view, assign yes. Now close the dialog box, go to the load page, click on load case detail, add, leave it none, add it, close it. Now select the load case 1, add self weight, add nodal load in the FY 50 and 30, minus 50 as it works in the downward, add it, and 30, add it. Now self weight goes to the total structure, this one goes to this node, sorry, select by node cursor, then assign to selected nodes, assign yes, scale the loads in this node, it goes to this load, assign to selected nodes, assign yes. Now to analyze it, go to command, analyze, perform analyze, OK, analyze, run analyze, save. Okay, there is no error, no warning, no notes. Now you can go to the post-processing mode, you can see the reaction or animation, deflection, apply the deflection. Okay, so now you can design how to steel structure. In the previous video I show you, so design on your own, and if you can't design it, then let me know, comment, drop a comment in my video. Okay, and keep subscribing on my channel. Okay, if you have any suggestion for improve the tutorials, then also comment in my video. So that's it, and thank you for watching my video.